Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Begin by gathering ingredients and tools for concentrated broth cubes. Use 8 cups of quality chicken, beef, or vegetable stock as your base. Chop 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks for aromatics. Warm a large pot and add the stock plus aromatics to infuse flavor. Add 2 teaspoons kosher salt and 1 tablespoon soy sauce to season. Prepare a fine mesh sieve and an ice cube tray for later. Keep a ladle and a heavy pan ready for reduction and concentration. Pour the prepared stock and aromatics into a heavy bottom pot for reducing. Bring the liquid to a steady simmer over medium heat and then lower to maintain. Simmer gently until the volume reduces from 8 cups down to about 2 cups. This concentration step takes roughly 1 hour depending on heat and pot size. Skim any foam or excess fat from the surface with a spoon while simmering. Stir occasionally and add a half teaspoon black pepper or 2 sprigs thyme for depth. Taste the concentrate, and once concentrated, remove pot from heat and strain the broth into a clean bowl. Press solids gently to extract maximum flavor and discard the pulp. Measure portions and pour about 2 tablespoons of concentrate into each ice cube compartment. Freeze the tray flat overnight until the cubes are solid and fully set. Pop frozen cubes from the tray and transfer them into labeled freezer bags or airtight containers. Store cubes up to 6 months and use 1 cube per cup of water or 2 for richer sauces. Reheat gently and dissolve cubes into simmering water when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.